New and upgraded intelligent 3-in-1 welding platform. Mini Portable brings you a new experience. Equipped with a multi-gauge air gun head, air volume temperature free adjustable. Insulating silicone. Pair with multi-gauge soldering tips. Installation is quick. Stepless temperature regulation. Heat up quickly. Safe knock to remove tin. Deal with the toxic gases. Equipped with strong smoking meters. Pipe tape lighting for clearer viewing. Air volume is adjustable. Strong smoking loaded activated carbon filtration. Work pollution health protection. Smart Sleep IT saves electricity and is safe.